Good morning, guys. I was staying for a few days in Bariloche and giving my toe a little rest, and now everything is fine. And today I'm gonna make my way down to Kaikue. Quick Kaikue sounds like Dutch for fast looking. That's about it. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I'm getting ready and leave Bariloche. Ah, good. Sun is coming out. It's gonna be a brilliant day. Let's see if I make it to Chile today. That was such a nice day here. We need some gas. Looks good. Poor Urma, dirty all over. Looking like a proper bike. Now, there's me to take a ride here, but I want to go through town. Thank you. Thank you. I left your roses by the stairs. Little doggy, where are you going? Where are you going? Right in front there you see Bariloche, the downtown. To my next stop in Chile, it's 364 kilometers. Yeah, I gotta do this definitely today. Hello. Now, Urma, you're getting warm. Ventilator started. Yeah, gonna take the fast lane here. That's why I ride motorcycle. Yeah. Sorry guys, still don't have the microphone yet. It's GoPro doesn't export the new Rio to Argentina yet. So a friend of mine is organizing it. Thank you, Juan. And a friend of him is in film business and just filming a documentary anywhere outside of Argentina, and he's going to buy it for me. And Juan is marrying in 2 months, and I fear until then the sound is gonna stay like this for the moment. Sorry about that, but can't change it at the moment. That's entertainment. Thank you. Sometimes there's police controls on the road, especially if there's only one road. it with the drone. The drone is in there. Let's see if there's a quick one, how long it takes. Drone pictures in a few seconds. Oh, whatever. This is how it looks around here. It was a matter of 5 minutes and drone works, everything is packed up again. Yeah, let's go! I hate the deep gravel, but I'm getting used to driving on a gravel road. More and more fun, especially when you stand up. I love it. Where's the Rio Grande? Oh, nice! Whoa. That's beautiful. Look at that. Camping. Yeah, let's go camping here. Done already 300 kilometers something. Let's see if there's someone here. Yeah, but I think the weather's gonna be nice the next day, so well, there's fresh water, there's a river. I don't know, should I go to Chile or no, it's 6:30. Nah, I stay for the day. It's good. Decision made. I gotta try to get a nice camp spot here. Hola, hola. Gonna ask him. See you in a sec. Yeah, da ist alles frei. Sorry, talking German. Everything is free and it costs 300 pesos Argentinian. This is about, I don't know, 2 euros. Gonna pay the man. Taking a video here, so. Let's see. Bueno, gracias.
Si querés comer algo, tengo hamburguesa y cerveza.
¿Aquí?
Sí, ahí.
¿Sí? ¿Cerveza?
Sí.
Muy bien.
Acampar.
Acampar, sí. And then I come for the cerveza.
Dale.
Okay, vale. My Spanglish. Let's see if I find a nice spot. Yeah. Oh, brilliant. Well, there you go. Good idea. You're sinking in? Yeah, a little bit. That's why I got this thingy here. Palm. And we're here. Well, let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Rio Grande. Camping on the Rio Grande. Well, let's set up the tent. See you later. Alligator. Oh, well, have a look inside, huh? Here you go. That's how it looks. A bit dusty still. Yeah. Room enough for all my stuff. What's actually really always important for me, and to be fast with it, is getting out of the boots. And this is why I got right here my I don't know, flip-flops isn't really the word for it. In German or Austrian we call it Schlapfen. Always nice to get out of here. Zack. Watch the toe. Good. Brilliant. Ooh, that feels good. Yeah, and the next thing, getting out of the pants. And this is why I got my other pants right up here. See you go. Make it comfy in an instant. Don't want to show you how I get dressed. It's private. Yeah, this is how it goes. Bum, ba, da, da. Bum, ba, dum, bum. Do, 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 do. Bum, ba, dum. Brilliant! Quick and easy. The young man said he's selling beer, and I think I haven't had a beer for a week, and today is just such a nice day, and since he's got some, we're gonna drink some. I got 2 beer. I'll fill up my Camelback. Fresh, purified water. This is just for the Camelback. For cooking, I just take the water here and cook it anyway, so shouldn't be a problem. Just make myself a little instant noodles as usual. Well, usual when I'm out there. Okay, stand sturdy. Close the gauge. Get some water. Thank you, river. That's enough. Here we go. And off we go. Maruchan or Maruchan. What is it today? Hot chicken. Well, good enough. Good enough. Well, in the meantime, Quilmes, una cerveza de Argentina. Cheers. Almost. I'm just enjoying this so much. Just, yeah, nobody's around. It's a beautiful Rio Grande. The mountain nature. The sun already went down behind. Now I think it's behind the clouds. All good, all good. No mosquitoes. Brilliant. Water is cooking. Awesome. There we go. Perfect. Good enough. Dinner's almost ready. I don't know what this is, but it's a huge insect. I think must be some kind of wood wasp. Let's see. There it is. See that? Ah, no, it's two mating. I got you. I caught you in the act. Hmm? That's nature porn. I don't know. Yeah, well, it's not for children anyway, this channel. I just realized the speed of the river is incredible. This is nothing to go swimming there. It's really, really fast. Let's see. Yeah, ready, nice. And that's about it. That was a brilliant day. Bariloche is so beautiful. And the weather, when I was coming here, I was coming over the mountains where El Bosque, I don't know, El Bosque is. It was quite cold up there, and I had to put on my winter gloves, but it was a beautiful ride. And yeah, I think I made the right decision not going further than into Chile and staying here, because the spot is just yeah, look at it. It's everything what I want to have. So I guess that's it for today, and see you probably in the next video.